in bende nyalo bedo jaloch. Komachielo jatend migawo ma weche tuke Ababu na Mwamba wacho ni piny Kenya nie lany makare weche mag adhula ka koro kwayo kembe kod jogo manyalo siro timbe mondo wuog oko mar jiwo kendo tego talanta. Ababu noloso e kinde tuke mag Sekafa mag jotugo ma hikgi ok ng'eny 15 morumo e pacho ka odiochieng' ma kawuono.
And I'm urging corporates get back into sponsoring football. Football is back in a big way, but it needs partnership. So corporate sponsors, please get back into partnership to grow our game. And the fans, come back to the stadia. Come cheer your teams and come support football. Yes. Football should be a mega industry, providing opportunities, providing a chance for these youngsters. And we have seen in many countries like Brazil and other places where youngsters use football really to rise above poverty, to break the chains of poverty, become important members of the society, support their families, support their countries. It's the same thing. And I would love to see Kenyan children, both boys and girls, take full advantage of the opportunities presented by football. And on that score, myself and President William Ruto are fully supportive of our youngsters.
Kwa dhie tuke golf